I hope you all are fine at home. Are you thinking who I am? I am Sharon and I am so happy to share my craft talents with you all. And also, I know the name of your school is Mount Carmel. Even my school name is also Mount Carmel School. But it is in Bangalore, Mumbai. Today I will teach you two easy crafts. Do you know what are they? They are box and a board. So let's start. So friends, now we will prepare a box. To prepare a box, we need two square sheets. Out of these two squares, take one square sheet and fold it into half. And then again fold this into half. Open it and then fold this line to the middle line. Do the same with the other points. And then fold this square in half and again half. Open it and fold this line to the middle line. Do the same with the other four sides. And then open. After, you can see a line over here. Fold this line till this line. Do the same with the other three sides. After folding, you can see two lines over here. Scratch it. And then fold this line to the first line. Do the same with the other side. After folding all lines, fold this line to the last line. This line. Then fold this line till this line. Do the same with the other sides. You have to get the same length in the four sides. After folding the lines, open any two corners over like this and fold the line which I have told in last. The same length line, and then you can see this line. Attach, fold it little and attach this line till here like this. Inside it will be a triangle. Do the same with this and back. And then fold it inside. Fold this inside the box. We have done our box. Now let's make the lid of the box. To make the lid, take the another square sheet, fold it into half and again half. Fold this corner to the middle point, which I have done in the first box, and fold this line to the middle point, do the same with the other three sides. Do the same lines which I have done in the first box. Folding the line, fold this point to the last line which I have done in the last box. Do the same with the other three sides. Inside, fold this line till this line which I have folded to the last line. Before folding it, open the two corners and then fold it. Fold it again like this. Here we have a line, stitch it again, means fold it again and then open it. After that, do the same method which I have done with the box, means you have to fold the line a little and have to attach it to this line. Inside you will get a triangle. For that, I will stitch my lines. And then I will fold it. This inside. You can stick it, but here this is origami, so I'm not sticking it. While sticking, take the help of your elders. Making the lid, do the lid a little bigger from the box, so it will be easy to close and open the box. So now let's fix the lid to the box. So friends, our box is ready. So friends, now let's prepare a boat. To prepare a boat, we need one square sheet. First of all, you have to fold it in half. And then fold it in half again. fold this point to this point. And then fold this part back side. Do the same. And these two corners you have to fold inside in one triangle. First fold it and then put it inside. Then fold it like, means you have to open here and fold it. Before folding it, you have to fold it in half, both the sides, and then you have to open and fold it in a square. Fold it slowly, that should not tear, and then fold this corner or this point to this point. Don't fold this triangle. On the back side, do the same. And then you can see two triangles. Pull this. Our boat is ready. Our both crafts are ready. One is boat, another is box. So friends, I hope you all enjoyed this craft. I want you to try this craft at home and send the photos to your school. I will meet you next time. Bye bye.